But whatever you do, do not take that junction. Instead, come to San Kamphaeng Hospital and take the U-turn immediately opposite the hospital entrance, and do a U-turn and come back to this junction here. Here you'll see a little bit of a bumpy road. I can tell you, this type of road is quite a good road compared to the road I found when I took the other directions. It leads you through farmers' fields, but this road looks quite good. Hi there, I've come to Chiang Mai Airsports Airfield. This is out in San Kamphaeng, Ban Thi, out towards Mae On. This is not the new Chiang Mai or the second Chiang Mai domestic international airport. This is the hobbyist's airport. He's going to his friend to have a fly now. You can see on the horizon there a lot of smoke, and that's because the fields are being burnt off. Oops. Song San Mak. Well, that's a shame. He was flying around, gave it to his friend, and the friend just did a nosedive and it plummeted into the pond that's over there. Well, this airfield operates all year round, and it is a great attraction for many people who come to fly either small aircraft such as are seen here in hangars, or land and maintenance and take off again in the area. And there's also some balloon activity here as well. Kun ben jiao kong to me? Oh,น่าสนใจ
เจ้าของ3 คนมีพาร์ทเนอร์3 คนค่ะมี1 คนและอีก2 คนกำลังประชุมมีตติ้งข้างนอก
อ๋อแต่ถนนตรงนี้ไม่ดีเนาะ
ใช่
แต่ตรงนี้ทำใหม่ใช่ไหม
จะทำใหม่ค่ะ
อ๋อดีจังเลยอันนี้เป็นรันเวย์กี่เมตรครับ770ครับว้าวWell, if you are here in Chiang Mai, in northern Thailand, you can come here between the 6th and the 10th of December and enjoy the flights that will be here. Aircraft will be coming in from Singapore, in Malaysia as well. There will be all different nationalities of pilots here, so it's not just the few aircraft that are here. There'll be many, many more, and it will be interesting to see people sharing in their enthusiasm for flight. See you on the 6th and the 10th. Take care.
See you soon.
Bye-bye. What a lovely lady. This is one of the 3 owners of this airfield, and I am really looking forward to coming back here after she's explained to me that so many different pilots and craft will be coming in. They will be coming in, visiting, staying, flying around, taking tours of people on board around the valley, and it will be a fun time. it's going to be more enjoyable. Now I know that information too. So I hope you come along here between the 6th and the 10th. There is a lot of information that I'll leave in the description. It'd be pretty boring for me to explain it to you now. In the description below you'll see the schedule for the 5-day event here, and it's free. As the owner has just said, everybody is welcome, and apparently they are improving the road. They are delivering soil, and they're improving the track along the road as we speak. Lorries of containing earth are coming now. Well, here's a paraglider and an ultralight. This gentleman's doing some maintenance on his ultralight aircraft. I think this will appeal to a lot of people because of the possibility of lovely selfies, balloon rides, aircraft rides, and I'm sure there'll be a lot of petrol heads there. It will also be an opportunity for photographers to take amazing photographs of aircraft landing and taking off, as well as having maintenance done on them on the ground and lined up in procession and that sort of thing. It's going to be a lovely event, and I cannot recommend it highly enough because it's free, and such an event is something that I believe is under-publicised, and I just wonder as to whether it's under-publicised because of the location. Don't let the location put you off too much. If you come out on the San Kamphaeng road out towards Mae On, it's opposite the San Kamphaeng hospital, and from the hard tarmac road, it's only a kilometre in to the actual field, the airfield. No need to have a 4-wheel drive, no need to have a big motorbike to go down there. You can do it on any bike, any car, any truck. Just turn up. I think it's going to be a lovely event. Hope you enjoy it. Take care. Bye.